We talk like thunder in a quiet room. Words feel soft, but still they wound. You hold me close, then turn away. I do the same, it's how we play. We're mirrors facing mirrors, endless sight. Reflections full of pride and quiet fights. I see the tears behind your eyes, but I don't blink, and neither do you. We're in love, but we're stubborn. Two flames burning, but never learning. I want you, but I want my way. You need me, but won't ever say. We keep spinning in our silence, calling it love, but it's defiance. If we both let go of our fears, maybe then we meet again, not just pretend. You play your records, I hum along. Different notes in the same song. Your hand in mine feels bittersweet. So close, yet we never meet. We speak in riddles, half the truth. Scared of breaking, scared of proof. The love alone is not enough. If we won't bend, we call it tough. We're in love, but we're stubborn. Two storms clashing, no one's certain. I need you, but I need my pride. You love me, but you run and hide. We keep dancing in our distance, hiding in love like it's resistance. If we both lay down our shields, maybe then we'll love again, not just pretend. What if we were softer? What if we just tried? Would you still be my shelter? If I stop the fight, can we be more than egos game? More than lovers who won't change? We're in love, we're still learning. Two hearts yearning, still hurting. I want you without a wall. You need me,